into three main steps. The first step is we're going to give you an idea how to use the iCopy component, and then we'll show you how to build it. So we're first going to start off by opening up a target assembly that has a 3D, it has multiple 2D sketches that we want to insert this into. So let's take a look at the connection points that we want to insert it into, and we want to invoke our iCopy component and select the template that has been pre-authored. So with that, you'll notice that we can start inserting it. It's very similar to inserting it into a regular assembly, although from here we can start to select the connection points on how I want to connect it into my assembly. You'll notice that it automatically adjusts each of the edges based on my input points, and then I can also change the frame height and width, which are just parameters that have been used in defining this iCopy component. If we want to pattern it, you'll notice we have a pattern option at the bottom of the screen. We can specify the offset value and how many pattern components we want in here. And then we also have the ability to specify if we're going to reuse any of the geometry. You'll notice that the 4 bottom plates we want to be able to just reuse. We don't want to make new unique copies. And then from there we can hit OK, and we'll notice that it's going to pattern multiple occurrences of each of these components and adjust them along the path. So we could have just created one, but we wanted to be able to pattern and get many different occurrences that are all able to be adjusted along that path. So the next thing that we want to do is we want to be able to take a look at what is required for us to set up an iCopy component. You'll notice that we've opened up a part file. It's just an individual part file that has a sketch in there. And this sketch is what drives each of these components as we pattern them or insert them into an assembly. We want to make sure that that sketch is adaptive.